Hey, good morning from Seattle, Washington. This is Michael Lai. Welcome back to the Advanced Business Workshop. I was on the call, with my student. They asking me the question about Advanced Business Workshop from the ML University and whether or not the program is work, right? So let me tell you that I've been in business for over 22 years, and I have trained and coached, over 150 students, right? And a lot of them very successful. Folk like Brahma Wada, folk like you know student from the program that I think that they success in a high level in the marketplace, right? So the program is work if you work, right? So the students he asked me about a question is new in the program, and question I asked for her was show me your schedule, right? Show me the prospecting contact that you make to your client. Show me the appointment that you go on, right? And show me the result of what did you do, right? What did you do that good? What did you do that's okay? And what did you learn from the experience? Let me tell you one thing. I look at the calendar, it's empty, right? So nothing is gonna work if you don't work, right? So that's a kind of interesting question about it. So what I wanted to share with you guys today is about about fighting the business. Like 80% of the new business starting in America is failing the first 2 years, right? But in real estate, 82% of real estate entrepreneur getting new license that fail in the first 6 months, And so why are they failing so fast, right? And so the answer for that is your ability to get new business, right? So that's a couple points I want to share with you today is, right? You get into the business because you don't have any money, you don't have any income, you don't have any client, you don't have no transaction in escrow, correct? Then the only thing that you have to dedicate yourself to do is spending the time in the business development, in which I call prospecting for a client, follow up with the client, go on presentation, right? And getting the transaction, getting the deal done. That's way, right? So you got nothing else to do but focusing on that. I know that we've been through a long pandemic, right? When a lot of activity in the marketplace is very limited, right? So I know that getting back into the production mood is about reconnect yourself and working with the client. So I wrote down here is that yes, you have to make a commitment to build your real estate business every day through efficient prospecting, right? The P words, right? Fighting the business. So either you have the choice every single day, right? Either you wait for business to find you, right? You go and buy the business, right? Or you have a lot of money you spend on marketing, right? Which is called buying the business. For me, my situation is that I came from Vietnam, and I came here in 1993. So I built a lost business. I know that nobody gonna call me anyway, right? Nobody gonna call me, so I'm gonna have to call them. I have to go and build my business through every single day through efficient prospecting, correct? So you like it or you don't like it, do it, right? Unless you're gonna be one of the 20% of the new entrepreneur that gonna make it in the business, or you're gonna become like 80% that the business you're gonna fail in the business because lack of the action from you as an operator, right? So fighting the business is the key, right? So every single day building the business through efficient prospecting, right? And when you guys come into the Net Tuesday, right? I'm hosting a 3-hour advanced business workshop, that I'm gonna show you the most powerful, productive, and effective way for you to build your business right? So you're gonna walk away with some great idea and strategy and way that you can apply into your business, right? So I talk about the the business generally coming from either waiting, buying, or go and find it, right? So I hope that 80% should come from you finding it. And where do you find the business? As a real estate entrepreneur, right? So, I will show you that at the Net Tuesday training. So go ahead and register for the next program and click on the link below. Okay, so with that, go and have a great day, and I'll see you next Tuesday.